Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your JBL Tune 660 noise cancellation headphones with any iPhone or iPad. So first of all, before the pairing, you have to remember to charge your headset for like 20 minutes with this USB-C port and also disconnect them from any previously connected devices. Next, when you do this, just grab this right headphone and you have to find this power button. You have to click and hold it until this indicator turns on. Right now you have to release this button and now just wait until this indicator starts blinking blue. There we go, and right now we are in pairing mode. So on our iOS device we have to go for the settings, then open Bluetooth, turn on Bluetooth with this switcher, and now just wait, select the JBL Tune from the list, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.